So I've got my doily, I've got my bit of lace, I've got my feathers. I've got an old butterfly that I'm going to use, but I'm not going to use, I'm going to use it like that. I want some flower centres. I have some of my own somewhere. Just ignore me, talk amongst yourselves. So, of course, I'm going to need a needle and thread. Thank God I don't have to thread it, because my eyesight is getting worse. I must go get my eyes done. I must. This is just a really quick flower. Another... oh, scissors. Right, I have to take this off. And it's on with some form of a pin. There we go. That I have like a metal pin at the back. Well, it came out all right. Yeah. I wonder if you can buy them. I don't need that, and I didn't need the pearl. I want that, or you think. Might not use it. Right, first of all, I'm just going to stitch this flower up. And I must remember that's just snapped, so I can't pull it too tight. But I can pull it tight enough. Let's just make sure we've got them two bits together. There we go. That'll do. What ain't first? Put the needle away, Fee, because you know what you like, mate. Left quite a hole in the middle. That's why I didn't pull it too tight. Well, because of the thread as well. I don't know how dumb some of these people are. We've still got people coming in from other streets, and it's all one family. You know, that's kids are doing it. Right, now I'm going to pop that on because I want to. Well, that's going to go straight in the middle, Fee. Like that. That still looks even, doesn't it? Oh, let me rest my weary legs. And then I'm going to put this on. Let me just trim it off first. So I'm going to pop that on there. And then I've got this, and we sell them in bunches of 6. And I'm going to take 3 of them, I think. And fasten them back together. Like that to make a little cluster. And then snip that off. Now, why won't it go through there? Because, Fee, you didn't put a hole in the butterfly. Ugh. Now you've got one. I'm going to pull that in. It needs to go a little bit more. This is just, be careful doing stuff like this because you can cut yourself. That's it. Of course, 1 didn't do it. Actually, 2 would do. See? So I'm going to cut that. Pop glue on there. Get a little bit of my... Here, look, there's one cut ready. Told you I often have them ready. Pop that on the top there, like that. Oh yeah, like that. And that's like a... You see the butterfly. And it's just another style of flower. Didn't need that. Don't need them. I am going to put on... I'm going to use these pink. Now, I can't remember where I bought them. But when you get your feathers like this, blow them. Right, I'm just going to stick these down there. Just give them a blow if they're a little bit squashed and they'll come apart. They're marabou feathers. See, like that. I'm going to snip this one off a little bit. Don't waste that. That does the butterfly wings. Pop this one there. It swoops over like that. Gorgeous. Pearl goes in the pearl jar. I need a stick pin. Have we got one made up? Where's one of my pretties? That's going to get hidden. We need to take that off. And just... like that. That's fine by me. Pull that back. And then that will sit in there. Whoops-a-daisy. Wait a minute. Remember, it's got wings, Fee. So you want it where it's seen. Right there. That's it. And there we go. Nice, pretty little flower. It took no time at all. Bit of lace, little butterfly, little doily, flowers, ready-made stick pin, because I make them up front. And there you go. And keep that little bit of feather. So easy. And we do sell these in the shop. I think we've sold out of the feathers now. We're just waiting for some more to come in. Peggy Binds, your box is on its way. We needed to find a box that fit the doll, because you bought the doll that was on the cushion, the pumpkin that we made. So I'm sorry yours is late, but it's now on its way. What was the other one? I'm trying to remember things so that people don't start panicking or worrying about their orders. We found that. One of them had a fancy necklace, blue and red necklace, diamante necklace. And I misplaced the necklace. I'd seen it somewhere, and then I thought, I know that's in an order because I've seen the orders. I was looking through the orders. And I found the necklace, so it's gone in the order afterwards. So it's not in the original one you ordered it in, it's in the one afterwards. So, but they're both on the way anyway. So there you go. You've got all your orders, and necklace is not in the one it should be in. It's in the one that you ordered later on.